Joey, darling, sut ydw ti? Beth sy'n on the cards at gyfer heddiw? Oh, you little rascal! And it's keeping us guessing, aren't you? Dyna beth dwi'n hoffi amdano ti. Ti'w talk of the town. Beth mae'n mynd I wneud nesaf? We just don't know. By the way, Storm Ellen, I mean, wow. I mean, blew my socks off. Oedd e fel firework display. I mean, really visual stuff. Oh, a'r heatwave yma. Genius. Pawb yn stuck mewn to there mewn heatwave. I mean, mae hwnna'n new levels of evil. I love it. Sut ti'n meddwl amdano'r enwau yma? Storm Rheolwr? I mean, the irony. Hey, absolutely inspired gyda tywydd da yn dibych yn pysgod a wedyn, wham! Gale force winds ar gyfer y holidaymakers. You abso bitch. Hey, be nesa? Eira'n mis Ebrill? 31 degrees, I'm so jolly. Hey, darling, no. You keep doing what you're doing, girl. Ti'n genius. Bydd pobl yn siarad am hyn am blynyddoedd. Okay, darling. Anyway, gotta go. Okay. Tatty bye. Tatty bye. Bye. Ta-ta. What an absolute babe.